Alright, this is a run through of the scoring system. First you got to get the zip scan machine and connect the wire on both ends. One end goes in the machine, the other end goes into the USB port. Then on the desktop of the old IBM computer you'll find the zip scan software. Run that, and when it comes up it will attempt to find the location of the port for the scoring. If not, you'll see that you can check the setup, and it found it on COM port 8. That's all you need to see there, and there's nothing else to do here. You can calibrate it here with a blank sheet. We just did that last week. So basically when you go here you just drop a blank sheet in 8 times and it calibrates it. So we'll just we have to redo it now. Where's my blank sheet? Okay. Do I even have one? Is that one? Yeah. There you go. Drop that through 8 times. So we're dropping a blank sheet through 8 times, and it will sense how dark the print is on this particular scoring sheet. Those hands belong to the beautiful Rafaela. Okay, one more. Very good. It should come up and say it's done. It likes us now. There's the screen on the calibration, and so we were done there, and that's done. Okay, so now we'll go on. Okay. When you get started to do a round, then you can give this a name. Type in a name for that. Let's do Beijing Seniors. And you can do the next line down and just put same thing again. Alright, so Beijing Seniors, really not crucial. What is crucial is a couple of these other steps, because if you miss them they won't save when you're done. Next we need to fill in this field here where we see the number of relevant questions. 125 for the seniors. And that's good to go. Next we go to the next screen. There's nothing else on here that's crucial. We go to the next screen, and it says set question groups. Now the question groups, hopefully we can read the settings from the file, and we need a senior set of settings, and we don't have them. So I think what we have to do then is set up some of our own. And we have 125 questions, and what we need to do here in our 125 questions is to create a set of groups. So with Rafaela doing the honors, what we need to do here is to add a new group and call this Art, the first thing on the sheet. And what we'll do then is we'll double click the first 25 questions. Double click on each line to set them into a group, otherwise you have to use some even lengthier buttons. And then we'll add a new group, and the second test is Econ on the seniors. Hit OK, and we'll double click on the next 25 lines for the group 3. Yes, it's tedious, I agree.
And this is per round, all rounds. Yeah. I was thinking you just do we just do what? First round, this team speaks.
If you don't have the groups in here, you cannot separate the different subjects together. For the third group, we are, what's the third? Science is last, and so this is literature. Literature is third, so new group, and this will be lit is good enough. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We'll just call it lit. And again, double click the next 25, and we're going to save this designation here so that we don't have to do this again later. Once we do a configuration file like this, you need to save it in case you have to restart, because if you don't, then you have to do this whole process over again, and that's not all that much fun, as you can see. Next, we need to add another new group, and this would be Metro. And again, the next 25 questions belong to that group.
Sounds good, over.
And our last group is science. And 25 more double clicks while you wait. Maybe we can edit this and get rid of some of this wait time. I don't know.
Jump.
Probably not. I hope my tablet has enough memory to hold all this. Okay, once that's done, we're going to save settings to file, and so put in there Beijing Seniors. And TGS is group settings, and that's good. Hit OK. And we now are set with those. Next, we have to drop the answer sheets through. Go ahead and drop those through. There's 3 sheets for the answer sheets.
Oh.
No, it's curved the wrong way, probably. I don't know that we got anything from it. We got just blanks, so curve it so it goes down. There we go. Did we get them?
No.
I don't think so.
101, no.
101 to 125, are they marked on there?
Yeah.
Drop it again. Let's see what happens. Didn't get it. We went ahead and we finished dropping those through, and now we can see that we have 125 answers on the answer sheet, and that's looking good. Next, we'll use the next button and go to the drop students through the form. So now the Raffaella will drop a couple through. We'll just do one answer sheet here. We have to watch it and see that it works out about right. Okay, now that's one dropped. We can see the answers here. The score is 41 out of 125 for this person. You can see the color coding. Blue means they left something blank, and yellow means they answered it twice. And if you see that, then that's the way it is. Now, from here on out, you just repeat this until you're done, and then you save the form. And to save the form, you go to the next screen. Be sure to do this correctly. And you go down to where it says Summary with Groups, tab delimited, and you export to File, and you give it a logical name like Seniors Beijing. And save it. And we now have a new file. Make sure you double click this and see that you have all of the columns. There should be like a column for each of the different groups that you made. And if you widen this out, you'll see that the groups are all there. And that's the final product. From here we can actually go to the scoring and type in the scores that are there. So that's a run through of the scoring system. Hope this helps. Bye.